What's going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna give you a review of the Nike SB Dunk High Pro Strawberry Coughs. Now these were supposed to be released in 2019, but they canceled them for some reason. And I always wanted them since I saw them, but they were going for like over $1,000 in 2019, and I would never drop that. So I just thought it would be a pair that I would never get. They would never release. But they finally came back out, and the price dropped low enough where I could snag a pair, and really love them. They're just really good looking shoe. Pretty crazy looking. They're real loud, but the colorway is University Red and Spinach Green. Comes in your special SB dunk box. Already ripped the paper, but these are pretty crazy. Strawberry coughs. You got your strawberry. It says cough, cough. Pretty cool. And your spinach green. Hairy suede. Super hairy suede. You got your velvet spinach green in the back. Pretty cool. And you also have green here. More like a lime green almost. Not as dark as this green up here, but it's velvet as well. Swoosh is going to be the same hairy green suede. Then you're going to have these like ostrich leather type dots with like yellow. And it's obviously supposed to look like a strawberry. See some pretty nice glue stains there. It's pretty bad. It's got red leather toe box. It's like a different color red. Got a dent in the front of these right out of the box. It's like a flaw. But you got your icy clear bottom. Got your white tongue. And I don't know if the red just bled into the white or if it's red that fades up into the white. But it's like a pink and then it goes up to white. It's pretty cool looking. I don't think it would have bled. So that's a pretty cool touch that I never even heard anybody mention. But yeah, you have your white tongue, but it fades down into like a red towards the bottom, like a pinkish red. Pretty wild. I'll take out one of these insoles. Just to show you what that looks like. It's pretty dope. But it comes with your red laces. it also comes with, I believe, a green thing. And the pink pair. Comes with your like lighter. It's kind of like the color that's towards that end of the tongue. Pretty cool. And you got your green. That also look okay. Overall, very, very dope show. A lot of good attention to detail. Pretty good looking pair besides that dent in the front of the one pair, of the one shoe, my right shoe. But it is what it is. It won't look like that once I put my feet in there. I haven't worn these. I don't plan on wearing them for a while, but always wanted them. I always thought it was a dope concept, cool colorway. I like the velvet. I think it looks good in the light. And of course that hairy suede. It's real nice. Pretty cool leather. Wild. And the leather on the toe box, nice, smooth, nice leather. Very dope shoe. I love these. But also has 2 flaps, which highs don't normally have 2. Pretty crazy. Wild looking shoe. You would have to, you know, can you pull these off? I definitely can, but I'm sure some people just can't rock with it. But that's about it for these. Until next time, y'all have a good one.